Question number 1. You are creating an on-site event in Dynamics 365 Customer Insights Journeys. Multiple organizations are contributing funds and services to your event. In return, you will have their logos and messaging displayed at the event. How should you track these organizations in Dynamics 365 Customer Insights Journeys? Select the correct answer.
Smart move. Sponsorships is an accurate answer.
Question number 2. A company using Dynamics 365 Finance has determined they have been paying for products they did not receive. You need to recommend a solution to prevent this from happening in the future. What should you recommend?
Well reasoned. Implement accounts payable for three-way matching is the correct choice. Question number 3. You are setting up a webinar event in Dynamics 365 Customer Insights Journeys. What webinar functionality is incorporated directly into Dynamics 365 Customer Insights Journeys? Select the correct answer. Bravo! Teams is the answer. Question number 4. Each administrator role in Microsoft 365 maps to common business functions and gives people in your organization permissions to do specific tasks in what location?
Nice work. You chose Microsoft 365 Admin Center, and it is correct.
Question number 5. What is the method for categorizing and organizing your organization's surveys called in Dynamics 365 Customer Voice? Select the correct answer.
Smart pick. Projects is the correct choice.
Question number 6. Which Microsoft service is often integrated with Dynamics 365 Customer Insights for advanced analytics and machine learning capabilities?
On track. Azure A Services is the correct answer.
Question number 7. Which of the following is a tool in Microsoft Dynamics 365 for marketing used to create personalized, automated email campaigns?
Correct. Dynamics 365 Marketing Email Designer is the right answer.
Question number 8. Which of the following products should you use to help train a new employee on how to maintain a piece of factory equipment?
You chose Dynamics 365 Guides, and it is correct.
Question number 9. What is the significance of using predictions in forecasting customer behavior in Dynamics 365 Customer Insights data? You got it. Your choice identifying potential customer actions based on historical patterns is right.
Question number 10. How do predictions impact the overall data-driven decision-making process in Dynamics 365 Customer Insights data? You're right. By automating decision-making is the correct answer.
Question number 11. How do predictions contribute to enhancing customer engagement strategies in Dynamics 365 Customer Insights data? Exactly. By providing insights for personalized engagement strategies makes sense, and it is right choice. Question number 12. Which component of Dynamics 365 allows organizations to collect and analyze customer feedback for field service? Excellent choice. Dynamics 365 Customer Voice is the right answer. Question number 13. This logo represents? Great job. Power Apps is the accurate answer. Question number 14. Which feature allows users to export data for further analysis or reporting in Dynamics 365 Customer Insights? Solid response. Data export is a valid choice. Question number 15. In what ways can predictions be utilized in customer segmentation within Dynamics 365 Customer Insights data? Correct response. By identifying patterns for targeted segmentation is the most accurate answer. Question number 16. Which component of Microsoft Dynamics 365 allows for real-time communication between agents and customers? Clear logic? Your choice omnichannel for customer service is sound and 100% true. Question number 17. How many % discount is SAC giving for the first year subscription of Dynamics 365 Sales Professional? Valid point. 40% is true.
Question number 18. How does Dynamics 365 Customer Insights ensure data accuracy and consistency across different sources?
Right again. Through the use of AI-driven algorithms is a valid answer.
Question number 19. In Dynamics 365 Customer Insights, what is a key consideration when ingesting data from external APIs?
Right choice. Proper authentication and authorization is the best answer. Question number 20. Which Microsoft Dynamics 365 field service uses geocoding to improve routing and dispatching? Strong choice. Resource scheduling optimization is the right answer. Question number 21. Which component allows users to visually explore and analyze data in Dynamics 365 Customer Insights? Well picked. Power BI is the correct answer.
Question number 22. How can users track the progress of data enrichment activities in Dynamics 365 Customer Insights?
Great thinking. Using built-in monitoring and reporting features is the right choice. Question number 23. Which connector is used to bring data into Dynamics 365 Customer Insights from external sources? Good job. Your answer, Data Integration Connector, works well here.
Question number 24. What benefits does data enrichment bring to customer profiles in Dynamics 365 Customer Insights?
Sharp thinking. Enhancing the completeness and accuracy of customer profiles is the right choice.
Question number 25. In Dynamics 365 Customer Insights, what is a data profile used for during the import process?
Nicely done. Understanding and analyzing source data is a solid answer.
Question number 26. What is the first step in the process of importing data into Dynamics 365 Customer Insights?
Perfect. Data source connection is the correct choice.
Question number 27. What role does match keys play in data integration within Dynamics 365 Customer Insights?
Nice selection. Identifying duplicate records is the correct and valid answer.
Question number 28. What is the purpose of the profile unification process in Dynamics 365 Customer Insights?
Good thinking. Merging and enriching customer profiles is the right answer.
Question number 29. How does Dynamics 365 Customer Insights ensure data quality during the enrichment process?
Well done. Through automatic validation and cleansing is the right choice.
Question number 30. Can predictions be adjusted or fine-tuned by users in Dynamics 365 Customer Insights data?
Excellent. Yes, through manual adjustments is a brilliant choice. Question number 31. Which of the following is a feature of Microsoft Dynamics 365 for finance and operations?
You got it. Your choice, Dynamics 365 Commerce, is right. Question number 32. What is the purpose of configuring a resource requirement in Dynamics 365 Field Service?
You're right. To define the resource requirements for a work order is the correct answer.
Question number 33. What is the purpose of creating a customer profile in Dynamics 365 Customer Insights?
Excellent. To understand and engage with customers is a brilliant choice.
Question number 34. What tool would you use to deploy Microsoft Dynamics environments on Microsoft Azure?
Nicely done. Cloud-hosted environments is a solid answer.
Question number 35. Which component allows you to extend the functionality of Dynamics 365 Field Service?
Perfect. Azure Logic Apps is the correct choice.
Question number 36. Which of the following is not a standard connector in Dynamics 365 Customer Insights?
Correct response. Virtual reality is the most accurate answer.
Question number 37. What is the purpose of the data source component in Dynamics 365 Customer Insights?
Right choice. Defining connections to external data sources is the best answer.
Question number 38. What is the purpose of the segmentation feature in Dynamics 365 Customer Insights?
Excellent choice. Grouping customers based on common characteristics is the right answer.
Question number 39. Which component of Dynamics 365 allows you to create custom apps for field service?
Correct. Power Apps is the right answer.
Question number 40. What types of predictions can be generated in Dynamics 365 Customer Insights data?
Exactly. Varied types, including customer churn, purchase likelihood, and more make sense, and it is right choice. Question number 41. What is the significance of the golden record in Dynamics 365 Customer Insights? Right again. It is the consolidated and authoritative customer profile is a valid answer. Question number 42. What is the primary objective of data ingestion in Dynamics 365 Customer Insights?
Strong choice. Data standardization is the right answer.
Question number 43. What role does the Common Data Model play in Dynamics 365 Customer Insights?
Valid point. Defining a standard schema for customer data is true.
Question number 44. Artificial intelligence in Dynamics 365 requires what platform to function?
Well picked. Microsoft Dataverse is the correct answer.
Question number 45. What is the purpose of using predictions in Dynamics 365 Customer Insights data?
Bravo. Making informed predictions based on historical data is the answer.
Question number 46. What is the purpose of the Insights module in Dynamics 365 Customer Insights?
Good job. Your answer, exploring AI-driven analytics and insights, works well here.
Question number 47. What is the main purpose of Microsoft Dynamics 365 Customer Insights journeys?
Well done. To create personalized customer experiences is the right choice.
Question number 48. How frequently are predictions updated in Dynamics 365 Customer Insights data?
Great thinking. Dynamically in real time is the right choice.
Question number 49. How does Dynamics 365 Customer Insights handle data privacy and compliance?
Well reasoned. It adheres to industry standards and regulations is the correct choice.
Question number 50. Which data type is supported for fields in Dynamics 365 Customer Insights?
Good thinking. Text, numbers, and date time is the right answer.
Question number 51. Which one of these is not a feature of Dynamics 365 Sales and Marketing? You chose Supply Chain Management, and it is correct. Question number 52. Which data sources can be ingested into Dynamics 365 Customer Insights? Solid response.
Various third-party and Microsoft sources is a valid choice.
Question number 53. What does data enrichment refer to in Dynamics 365 Customer Insights? Smart move. Augmenting existing data with additional information is an accurate answer.
Question number 54. Which types of data can be enriched in Dynamics 365 Customer Insights?
Nice selection. Varied types of data, including demographics and behavioral data, is the correct and valid answer.
Question number 55. What is the main function of Dynamics 365 Project Service Automation? Clear logic. Your choice to automate project management and resource scheduling is sound and 100% true. Question number 56. What is the main purpose of Dynamics 365 Customer Insight segments?
Nice work. You chose to create personalized customer segments, and it is correct. Question number 57. What is the primary goal of Dynamics 365 Customer Insights profiles? On track. To create personalized customer profiles is the correct answer. Question number 58. What is the main purpose of Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management? Sharp thinking. To transform manufacturing and supply chain operations is the right choice.
Question number 59. What is the purpose of the Dynamics 365 Field Service mobile app?
Smart pick. Perform on-site inspections is the correct choice. Question number 60. How does Dynamics 365 Customer Insights support data enrichment? Great job. Through integration with external data providers is the accurate answer.
Question number 61. How does Dynamics 365 Customer Insights support A capabilities?
Perfect. Through integration with Azure iServices is the correct choice. Question number 62. What is the main function of Dynamics 365 Business Central?
On track. To automate and streamline business processes is the correct answer. Question number 63. What is the main function of Dynamics 365 Human Resources? Excellent choice. To streamline record-keeping tasks and automate staffing processes is the right answer.
Question number 64. What is the primary goal of Dynamics 365 Customer Service?
Right choice. To streamline customer support processes is the best answer.
Question number 65. What are bookable resources in Dynamics 365 Field Service?
Nicely done. Resources that can be booked for service appointments is a solid answer.
Question number 66. What is Dynamics 365 Customer Insights primarily used for?
Solid response. Customer relationship management is a valid choice.
Question number 67. What is the main purpose of Dynamics 365 Fraud Protection?
Sharp thinking. To protect online revenue, reputation, and customer experience is the right choice.
Question number 68. Which CRM system integrates seamlessly with Microsoft 365? Smart pick. Dynamics 365 is the correct choice. Question number 69. What is the average ROI of Dynamics 365 per dollar spent? Good thinking. 1697 is the right answer. Question number 70. What is the primary objective of Dynamics 365 marketing? Well picked. To deliver personalized, targeted marketing campaigns is the correct answer. Question number 71. What is the main function of Dynamics 365 Field Service? You got it. Your choice to deliver on-site service to customer locations is right.
Question number 72. What is a profile in Dynamics 365 Customer Insights?
Smart move. A summary of customer data and behavior is an accurate answer.
Question number 73. Which of the following apps is a model-driven app?
Correct response. Dynamics 365 Sales is the most accurate answer.
Question number 74. What is the main purpose of Dynamics 365 Finance?
Great job. To streamline financial processes and reporting is the accurate answer.
Question number 75. What is the main goal of Dynamics 365 Commerce?
Great thinking. To unify back office, in-store, call center, and digital experiences is the right choice.
Question number 76. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format? Strong choice. Contact Narayan Chengda is the right answer.